Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question is in two parts or question, and the first part says it has four subparts. A part says mention any two components of blood, trace the movement of oxygenated blood in the body, write the function of valves present in between arteria and ventricles, and D part write one structural difference between the composition of artery and veins. The or second part has three subparts, which says define excretion, name the basic filtration unit present in the kidney, draw excretory system in human beings, and label the following organs of excretory system which perform following functions. Form urine is a long tube which collects urine from kidney, store urine until it is passed out. So let us move to the solution. The question with four parts. A part was mention any two components of blood, so plasma, red blood cell, white blood cells. You can write any two. The second part was to trace the movement of oxygenated blood. So the oxygenated blood movement is from lungs to left side of the heart. Then aorta comes in. Then it goes to body organs. The C part was write the function of valves. So the valves, what do valves do is prevent backflow of blood, which is very much important. And the D part was write one structural difference between veins and arteries. So artery has thick elastic wall and vein is thin walled. Walls are present in the veins and not in arteries. So this one is more fundamental, but you could write any one of the two. So the OR part said that first part was to define the excretion. So excretion can be termed as a process which involved in removal of nitrogenous or harmful metabolic waste from the body. This is the basic definition of excretion. So B part was name the basic filtration unit present in the kidney. So you have to just name it. So it is nephron. And the third part was to draw the diagram and label these three. So the diagram is present here. So this is the kidney, this is ureter, and this is urinary bladder.